Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and trendy ideas of pixie cropped hairstyling. With beautiful cropped haircut. So attractive correction of hair dye. And many much more beautiful ideas of pixie cropped hairstyling in short hair with beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in pixie crop. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And so beautiful collection of cropped haircut ideas. Very beautiful collection of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. And very stylish collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Beautiful ideas of wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. And so beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish collection of messy hairstyle. And so attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye, most demanding, most popular blonde hair dye. And burgundy hair dye. Light brown, dark brown, black color, ash color. Ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color. And some ideas of highlights in funky colors with light base color, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look very stylish and you look very sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection. new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.